Welcome friends. In this video we will learn how to access the storage account through access keys. So let's go on Azure portal. I have already logged in with my ID Azure and also I have created storage accounts. So let's go on storage account demo003 and there is option access key. And every time you will get the two access keys in the same. So one is connection string and one is access keys. If you are going to copy this string, you are going to access this here, you will not able to access this. So I'm going to access my storage account through access key, copy the access key, and I have installed storage account and storage account Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer. So I have opened Microsoft Azure Explorer and click on add an account, and there is option option we can use a storage account name and key. Click on next, enter the storage account name 003. I think I need to verify, yes, 003, and account name demo 003. I will keep it same, and account key is which I have copied from there. Use HTTP, you can access it. Select Azure and click on next, then click on connect. Once it will connected, you can see your storage account here. You can see blob, file share, queue and table. You can see the blob storage here which I have already created, and you can see the demo, and in which you can find the file which we have access in last videos. If you want to upload, you can also upload the new files here, files or folder. If you want to delete, you can delete here. So let's try to upload something on the dashboard. I'm going to select file from desktop. Right now there is no file. I'm going to create a new test file. Test, and I'm going to upload this file on Azure portal. Blob storage. If you want to select different storage, then you can select here. So I'm going to destination directory is direct and click on upload. You can see the message here also, that transfer of users complete successfully is completed, and you can see now if I'm going to on my storage account demo 003 and container and demo, and you can see the new test file which we have created on that server and uploaded through Microsoft Azure Explorer. And we have here used the access key for access the storage account. So access key we can define here also, or we can define the dem container also. You can access key here. So we will learn more in coming lecture. Keep learning.